Hey everybody, Matt Shaffer here with Habitude Warrior International. Just wrapped up an awesome workshop down here at the Coldwell Banker, and I have one of our participants here. My dear, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, Matt, I would. Thank you. My name is Lisa K. Woods. I'm a realtor and relocation specialist with Coldwell Banker United Realtors out of the Houston area.
Awesome. Well, we're so happy to have you here, Lisa. And we just got done with a really fun workshop, and I was just wondering, Lisa, what did you think about the workshop? How was your experience?
I really enjoyed the workshop. I learned a lot, and plus we had a lot of fun at the same time.
You gotta have fun in life. Learning and fun do not have to be mutually exclusive.
True.
That's what I think. And so, but speaking into the learning a little bit, what was like the one thing that you learned in the workshop or something you're gonna take out into your business and into the world with you?
Well, with the workshop, I've been in business for over 17 years, so for me it was more refreshing my memory, but I'm not as good at prospecting, and I'm back at prospecting again, so that's what I'm going to take away and do better at.
Yeah, better prospecting, huge for realtors. I totally get it. Well, Lisa, I want to thank you for joining me. And should people have me come out to their offices by any chance? Do you think that'd be a good idea?
Absolutely. I know I interrupted you, but absolutely. He is the best. And like I said, he's entertaining. I mean, you will not be bored, and you will take a lot away.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Lisa. I appreciate your time. You guys, we'll see you next time, all right? Talk to you later.